So here is just one example out of four that I'll share. HDI Labs, HDI stands for Human Trafficking Initiative. HDI Labs is a US-based organization that joined the Bright Initiative. HDI project aims to fight human trafficking in the commercial sex industry. The project evolved out of the need to deal with the lack of data on trafficking. It ultimately led to a novel approach of using online commercial sex advertisements with data science and network analysis to identify potential trafficking within the commercial sex industry. By performing ongoing data collection of online ads, reviews, profiles, and more with the Bright data tools, HDI Labs is able to detect potential victims of human trafficking and then offer the high-risk leads to its law enforcement partners. This is a quote here that you can see by HDI Labs CTO Matt Price that explains that. This is actually lives being saved. And you'll just be amazed from the public data that you can find online. If you know where to look, how to extract it, and how to get the insight out of it, you can save lives. Another example. True to our origin here is an Israeli nonprofit organization named Elen, helping youth in distress. In Israel, 1 in 7 youth members was sexually abused. These abused individuals often leave digital footprints, mostly around social media channels, which allows Elen, this Bright Initiative partner, to trace them. Elen was looking for a way to actively trace these individuals in order to help them. They're monitoring social media with Bright data tools, together with sophisticated machine learning, and eventually they provided the answer. Elen identifies a possible case through public web data and finds a way to communicate with that individual and offer them help. In the last 6 months, they saved over 50 children with the support of web data alone. Find a Shot. This is a community service project that would help people find available COVID-19 vaccination appointments at local pharmacies. It started when we didn't really know anything about COVID. It addressed the challenges Americans had in finding available vaccine appointments. The organization basically covered 25,000 locations nationwide in the US, thanks for the Bright Initiative and the Bright Data web data tools. Basically, instead of having to frequently manually search every single individual pharmacy location to find an available appointment, they were able to automate this procedure with our tools and make this information public for all. Last example, and right on time, Bright Initiative partnered this summer with startup accelerator Subak, recently launched in the UK. Subak selects, funds, and scales organizations which want to work collectively to keep the planet habitable using shared data, infrastructure, and other tools. It connects the best tech, environmental, and science talent together, basically to fight climate change. One of the projects is, for examples that are using the Bright data tools through the Bright Initiative is a project called New Automotive. That's a transport research group that supports the rapid uptake of electric vehicles in the UK specifically by opening up data about the transition from gas machines to electrical ones. It helps support the UK government decision to ban the sale of new gas and diesel cars in the UK from 2030. It has developed new tools, including the electric car count, which splits electric vehicle sales data by manufacturers and region to track the progress. Reaching the data regarding UK transport is mostly based on public web data, where Bright data tools can definitely help. So to sum it up, I think it's clear how data can make a difference to societies, nations, and even lives.